In this video, I'll be showing you how you can save presets in Apple Motion 5 and beyond that. It is super simple to do. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your project that you want to save as a preset. Then you need to hold down Command S. Then from here, you need to create a template name. And let's just call this frame. Then you need to select a category. And you can select any of your category, or you can create a new one down here. I'm just going to click tutorial. Then from here, you just need to click publish, like so. And now you need to go over to Final Cut Pro and see if it has been published. Now that you have opened Final Cut Pro, you need to go over to the Effects tab, and then you can click in whatever you have named your preset. And as you can see, I have mine here. I can just drag it into my clip, like so. As you can see, now it has these smooth, round tips over here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!